In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Solflare wallet to bank account. Before we begin, have the receiving crypto address from your trusted exchange or fiat off-ramp ready. That address should be on the Solana network since we're sending SOL. This is what ultimately lets you cash out to your bank once the funds arrive on that platform. Start by opening your web browser, look to the upper right corner where your extensions live, and click the pinned Solflare icon. If you don't see it, make sure the Solflare extension is pinned so it's easy to access. When the wallet panel opens, confirm you're on the correct account and on Solana mainnet, and glance at your balance so you know how much you can safely send. Next, select Send. You'll be sending SOL, so choose SOL if prompted and enter the amount you want to move. It's a good idea to leave a tiny amount behind to cover any future network fees in case you plan to keep using this wallet. If this is your first time withdrawing to this destination, consider starting with a small test amount to confirm everything works as expected. Now paste the recipient address you prepared earlier. This should be the SOL deposit address generated by your exchange or off-ramp. Take a moment to double check the first and last few characters and make sure it's specifically a Solana address. Never send directly to a bank account number. Your bank cannot receive crypto, so the address must come from a platform that supports converting crypto to fiat. Once the amount and address look correct, click Send. You'll see a confirmation screen showing the details and the network fee. Review everything carefully. When you're confident, approve the transaction. Solana is typically fast, so your transfer should confirm quickly, though times can vary based on network conditions. After the SESOL reaches your exchange or off-ramp, you'll complete the cash out to your bank within that platform. Each provider has its own process and timelines, so follow their on-screen instructions and keep an eye on any minimums, fees, or verification requirements they might have. A few final tips before we wrap up. Always verify you're using the official Solflare extension and keep it updated. Never share your seed phrase or private keys with anyone. If something looks off, stop and verify the address directly inside your exchange account. And whenever you're unsure, send a small test first, then the full amount. That's it. You've learned how to send SOL from your Solflare wallet to a receiving address so you can withdraw to your bank. Thanks for watching and take care.